I'll pay him in time.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are staying warm and cozy wherever you are. If you have been keeping up with the weather lately, you probably know that this past weekend we were hit with a massive snowstorm which kept most of us at home. It all started Saturday morning. The forecast had been predicting snow all week, but nothing could have prepared us for just
Amount of snow we had this weekend.
we got this weekend. So guys, check this out. This is what we woke up to. The snow didn't just cover the ground, it pulled up on cars, blocked driveways, and caused major disruptions. This snowstorm really did bad on us. This snowstorm really hit us badly this year. So now that's all said and done, how are we all holding up? Well, a lot of people are still digging out from under snow, and there are bits of cleanups processing ahead. Even the cleanup trucks are predicting they're gonna take them 3 weeks to clean up the snows from the road. Whoa, that's a long time. That should tell you how much snow we had. But the good news is we are on the other side of the storm. It's time to rest, recover, and prepare for whatever else winter throws at us, right?
Yeah. So I had a snow shoveling guy come and shovel my house. After that, I will pay him in time. I hired a snow shoveling guy. This guy is a very good guy. After I'll pay him in kind. See his face. See his face. He's very cute. He's not gonna take money. So I put him out for sale. Anybody who can shovel your snow for you, you pay him in kind, okay? But don't keep him in your house for long because he's mine. My snow shoveling guy.
So guys, if you were caught in the storm, I hope you stay safe and warm. And if you have got any wild snowstorm experience, drop them in the comment below. I did love to hear how how it went down in your area. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Stay safe, stay warm, and I will catch you up in the next one. Bye.